Watch this impact. The vehicle can earn a high government safety rating and still carry a warning that never enters the star calculation. That does not make the stars fake. It means the large number is a summary, not a verdict. NHTSA's 5-star system compresses several controlled tests into one score. But if you know where to look, the page reveals 3 details that can matter more than the headline rating. Start with the frontal test. The vehicle hits a flat, rigid barrier at 35 miles per hour. NHTSA says that represents a head-on collision between 2 similar vehicles, each traveling 35. The phrase that matters is similar vehicles. A 5-star frontal score for a compact car does not predict what happens when it meets a much heavier pickup. NHTSA says to compare frontal ratings only within the same vehicle class and within 250 pounds. Side tests work differently. A moving barrier strikes the car, or the car slides into a pole. Because vehicles face the same side test conditions, those ratings can be compared across classes. For frontal scores, compare like with like. The overall vehicle score combines injury risk from frontal and side tests with projected rollover risk. NHTSA weights those pieces using real-world injury patterns, then compares the result with the passenger vehicle fleet average. 5 overall stars means projected injury risk is much less than average. It does not mean the car is perfect, nobody can be injured, or every crash was tested. The speeds, angles, seats, dummies, and barriers are controlled. Real crashes are not. Use the overall score as a starting point. Then open the separate frontal, side, and rollover results. One average can hide a weaker category that matters to you. Now look for this symbol. NHTSA uses the safety concern warning for something such as structural failure, fuel leakage, a door opening, or other unintended component behavior. Here is the surprise. NHTSA says safety concerns are not part of the overall vehicle score calculation. A highly rated vehicle can still show this warning. The symbol appears by the relevant crash category and the overall score. But you must open the detail to learn what happened. 5 stars are not permission to stop reading. Inspect the line beneath them. One more check cannot be replaced by stars. Recalls. A rating describes a tested model and configuration. A recall can cover a specific production range and appear after the vehicle reaches the road. NHTSA says 997 safety recalls affected more than 29 million vehicles and equipment items in 2025. Enter the 17-character VIN at nhtsa.gov/recalls. Find it at the lower driver's side of the windshield, the driver door label, registration, or insurance record. An open recall is repaired free at an authorized dealership. Before buying or before your next service visit, do this. First, confirm the exact model year, body style, drivetrain, and tested configuration. Second, read the overall score plus the separate frontal, side, and rollover ratings. Compare frontal results only within the same class and 250 pounds. Third, open any warning symbol. Fourth, run the VIN through the recall lookup. Do not rely only on stars, an advertisement, or a past inspection. 5 stars are valuable. The mistake is reading them as the entire answer. This is why it spiked. Real footage, hidden signals, and the part you can use. Subscribe for the next one.